presume yes. We got one. Because I don't think it was filming the first one. I think it was his camera. One floating ball left.
How long did the batteries last? It's pretty damn safe.
It's hard when I can't target through.
We can't target anyway.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to film it.
You're no more successful when you're filming than you're not.
I'm filming while I'm trying to shoot. We're just sitting on the couch shooting at the bloody target.
Alright, no, in the vicinity of the target.
Yes! The floating. You're the only one who got the floating ball. The floating ball starring things, balls.
Ping pong ball.
Well, before I wasn't, I think.
Far too high. What we need is some sort of funnel.
A funnel so it brings it.
Yeah.
Don't tempt me. Brings our ammo back. Round 2. Oh, I didn't pick up the.
Still quite safe.
Dude. Oh, come on!
Oh!
So one each on that. You're the only one that still hit one of the balls.
Reno, no! Good kill.
Good kill. You're it. Oh, come on!
Nah.
Cannot be that.
Good. You can have snuggles.
Well, I got this. The size of the gun, I got a bit of spring on them. Yay, Nerf guns are really accurate. Yes! Did you just get that?
No, you did.
No, I'm gonna pull circles.